In this video, I want to introduce a new indicator that perfectly shows order blocks on the chart. In case if you don't know what order block is, let me explain it very shortly. Order blocks are price ranges where large market participants like institutional traders, banks, or hedge funds have previously placed large amounts of buy or sell orders. And this large amount of buy or sell orders created a significant price movement in the market. So order blocks are areas of the chart where there has been large amounts of orders executed. Alright, now you may wonder how you can identify order blocks on the chart. By the help of price action analysis, it is possible because by analyzing the price movement in the past, you can identify areas where the market suddenly changed considerably, and this considerable change is usually in the form of a reversal or break out of a range or consolidation period. Technically, order block is the last candle before the considerable movement of the price that created the imbalance of supply and demand. Identifying order blocks is not easy and it needs years of experience, and for beginners it's really challenging to correctly identify order blocks on the chart. However, there are some indicators that can help us with this, and today I'm going to introduce one of the best of them in this video. Before adding the indicator to our chart, please give this video a like, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and hit the bell so you get the notifications of my new videos. Alright, to add the indicator to our chart, first here for the scaling of the chart, we increase or decrease it a little bit, so later when the indicator is added, the chart will not be contracted. Then for adding the indicator, here we click on indicators and we search volume order blocks, this one, which is a new indicator from Big Beluga. Alright, as you can see, the indicator has added a ribbon to order blocks here and some information in front of them. This ribbon is actually two exponential moving averages. When the shorter moving average crosses above the longer moving average, the area between them becomes green, showing uptrend, and when the shorter moving average crosses below the longer moving average, the area between them becomes purple, and this shows downtrend. This indicator uses these EMA crossovers to determine the formation of bullish and bearish order blocks. When the shorter moving average crosses below the longer moving average, the indicator shows a bearish order block at recent high, and on the other hand, when the shorter moving average crosses above the longer moving average, a bullish order block is shown at the chart, which is at recent lows. Bullish order blocks are removed from the chart when the price closes below the bottom of the block, which has not happened for this block yet, and bearish order blocks are removed from the chart when the price closes above the top of the block. This will help to have a clean and clear chart and have only the relevant and active levels on the chart. But this is not all, and the indicator also takes volume into account, and it shows significant order blocks based on the price action. As you can see in front of the order blocks, we have volume information and their relative strength. When the amount of volume for an order block is relatively high, this shows that the order block is very significant. For example, for this order block that happened here, you can see that how many times after that, when the price reached to this zone, we had stopping of the price and then reversing of the price. Why? Because this order block created a significant imbalance between supply and demand in this price range. So whenever the price gets close to this range, we have reaction of the market participants, and as I said, this is because of the significant imbalance of supply and demand in this price range. This was a bullish order block, and here for this one, since this is a bearish order block, so it will act as a potential resistance level, and we will probably have a stopping and reversal of the price when the price reaches to around this zone. There is also a percentage in front of the order block, which actually shows the percentage distribution of volume among bullish or bearish order blocks. 100% shows the cumulative volume of all order blocks in the same category. So for example here, since the indicator has identified only one bearish order block, here we have 100%. But for example for this one, among the bullish order blocks that the indicator has identified, 86% of the distributed volume belongs to this order block, which shows it's a very significant order block from here until now. If the price closes below this order block, it will be removed from our chart. This indicator is a very powerful indicator that can effectively help you in identifying order blocks on the chart, so you can plan your trading when the price is near these areas, because as I said, we had significant imbalance of supply and demand in these areas, so they can act as support or resistance levels. Alright, that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, feel free to ask and leave a comment for me. I'll answer your questions as soon as possible. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and hit the bell so you get the notifications of my new videos. See you guys in next video and good luck with your trading.